Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to create poll in WhatsApp. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you want to create poll on your WhatsApp, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to open your Play Store and check for your WhatsApp update. If there is any update available for your WhatsApp, just update it from here. After updating, just tap on the open, select any one of the group, just tap on the attachment icon. You can see here poll, just tap on the poll. Here you can add a question whatever you want. For example, I will write here which sports is most popular. You can add an option from here. First you can add as a football, second I will add as a cricket. Like this you can add up to 12 options. After adding these options, just tap on the send button and you can see the poll has been created. You can say I had created a poll and you can vote it from here. After voting, you can see here you can view your votes from here. Just tap on the view votes and you can see who has voted to whom. That's it guys. So in this way you can create and vote poll on WhatsApp. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.